Is the Earth flat? Number one, why can't I see the Burj Khalifa whilst looking at it distance? If the Earth was flat, I'd be able to see the world's tallest tower and everything else around me. The night sky. Here in the Northern Hemisphere, I see some very different stars to those down in the Southern Hemisphere. And that could only happen if we were on a sphere rather than a flat plane. The water on our surface, how does it stay here? It wouldn't do so on a flat surface, it would fall straight off. But on a sphere, or an obloid, it is tightly bound to the surface by gravity. And that's another thing, gravity. How do we have an even distribution of gravity on a flat object? Doesn't happen, basic physics. What about the rest of the planet? How come when we look for our telescopes, we see them as disc shaped? Or how come if I stare through my telescope long enough at a planet, say Jupiter, I notice it rotates on an axis, meaning it must be a sphere? What if I went to the seaside and watched the ships pass off into the distance? How come when it disappears from our point of view, it does so by tilting up its backside? Well, it does so because the Earth is a sphere. I'm Damon Scotting, and this was Astronomical.